In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Libxml2.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows 11. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and simply click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Now once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click on the folder. Select Extract All. Click on Extract. And then copy the DLL file. Right click and then select Copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder. Then right click and then select Paste. Now once done, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.